In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a PlayStation 5 controller on Sea of Thieves PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a DualSense controller to work with Sea of Thieves or any other game available on Xbox Game Pass on PC. All that you have to do is download a certain external tool. Keep in mind that if you own Sea of Thieves on Steam, there is also an alternative method that is much easier, which I'm also going to showcase at the end of the video. If you don't own Sea of Thieves through Steam, then all that you have to do is go over to ds4-windows.com and download the tool available on this website. You will be able to download this executable file, extract it somewhere, and then open it up. As the name suggests, this is going to detect and set up your DualSense controller for you. So all that you have to do is connect the controller to your PC, either through a cable or wirelessly, and then click Start. After you click Start over here on the DS4 Windows executable, it should detect the DualSense controller, and that is going to appear on this list. Now, I apologize, I don't have a DualSense controller at hand to demonstrate this at the moment, but for you, it should be automatic. Now you can switch over to profile, and the default profile should be enough to get it working, but alternatively, just create a new profile, select output as DualShock 4 or Xbox 360, it doesn't matter, and then you can customize every single individual button. For the most part, these are going to be automatically set up, so you just have to save after you make any changes that you wish, give it a random name, and now one of these profiles will be used when you launch any game. Now, with this running on the background, just go ahead and launch Sea of Thieves on PC, and the DualSense controller should be detected and it should be working flawlessly. Now, if you want Sea of Thieves through PC, all that you have to do is right-click the game, go over to Properties, Controller Properties, and enable Steam Input. Once again, you will notice that I am doing this demonstration with GTA 5, but the process is still going to work. Once you enable Steam Input, you can go into the controller configurator to double-check, and the controller is going to be automatically set up by Steam if you launch Sea of Thieves through the Steam launcher itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to use PlayStation 5 controller on Sea of Thieves PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.